MEP, or mechanical, electrical and plumbing engineering, are the three technical disciplines that encompass the systems that allow building interiors to be suitable for human use and occupancy. MEP systems turn buildings from empty rooms into comfortable spaces that welcoming and livable, whether it's a 50-story building or a laboratory to work in. What is MEP? MEP stands for mechanical, electrical, plumbing. Whether commercial or residential, MEP components are vital in every project. MEP design is critical for design decision-making, accurate documentation, performance and cost estimation, construction planning, managing and operating the resulting facility. Mechanical services. The main services are listed below. Heating, ventilation and air conditioning, HVAC, system. Heating and cooling load calculation. Chiller piping and sizing. HVAC drafting and documentation. Sprinkler and fire suppression system. Mechanical estimation, BOQ. Few people think that HVAC is all about luxury, waste of money and valuable energy. But, of course, it is the right of every individual to live in comfort, and HVAC is committed for it. Also, HVAC services the industrial segment to great extent. Human comfort. Condition at which most people are likely to feel comfortable most of the time. The term air conditioning has gradually changed from meaning just cooling, to the total control of temperature, moisture in the air, humidity, supply of outside air, ventilation, filtration of airborne particle, air movement in the occupied space. Electrical services include main power distribution, small power supplies, fire and security systems, lighting, IT installation and telecommunication are also part of this engineering. This service varies and depends on projects and requirements, but a project is incomplete without electrical works. They offer environment-friendly as well as energy-efficient solutions. Electrical services. Electrical HT and LT power distribution. Power and lighting control cabling. Panel design. Emergency power supply. Load calculation and balancing. Earthing and lightning protection system design. Low voltage services. Building management system. Transmission and distribution refers to the different stages of carrying electricity over poles and wires from generators to a home or a business. After electricity has been generated, a system of electrical wires carries the electricity from the source of generation to our homes and businesses. Energy scenario. 87% of the energy produced from fossil fuels. And 7% of the energy produced from nuclear. The remaining 6% of the energy produced by other sources. The process of energy production shown on screen. Now we are going to discuss about plumbing. The aim of plumbing systems is to collect, transport and distribute water and to remove liquid and human waste. The benefits of a safe water supply and proper sanitation come with risks that include water contamination, cross connections, scalding and thermal shock. Layout design and drafting. Supply and drainage system design. Water treatment system design and drafting. Demand calculation and pump selection. Pump head calculation and tank sizing. Rainwater storage and layout design. Sewage treatment plant. Typical plumbing system. Shown below. These are the reasons, actually we need plumbing: good hygiene. Easier access to water. Human waste removal. Prevents transmission of disease. Prevents removal of dirty water. Tools and technology. We stay current with the latest tools and technology. Software which is used to design MEP include the following: Revit MEP and Architecture. AutoCAD Autodesk. Duct Sizer McQuay. HAP. Hourly Analysis Program, Carrier. Pipe Sizer McQuay. Beta Software. Conclusion. When the three fields of MEP overlap in their design and implementation, MEP services are nearly always required. Building automation is an increasingly popular service that incorporates all aspects of MEP engineering, allowing for centralized hardware and software networks that control HVAC, security, fire alarms, indoor and outdoor lighting, as well as many other operations critical for building performance. MEP engineers, in these initial stages of a construction project, help to reduce delays, confusion, revisions and redrafting.